Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the lecture. So this is a final Excel sheet what I'm trying to show you. Okay, maybe somewhere actually there was one mistake what I did. In case of footing, concrete quantity, I had got the answer 40, but I hadn't done the proper calculation. Okay, I forgot to multiply these three quantities, so I was getting a 40 cubic meter of answer, but the right answer is 129.374. Okay, after that I have gone through all my calculations and this is a final calculation what I've done, and you should get the same answers. So quickly, I'll run through this once. Okay, so these are the 5 footings what I had written. So it is earthwork, the unit should be in cubic meter. The numbers are 65632, and this is length. Okay, after adding the working space and the PCC offset to that. Okay, and this is how it is. Depth, thickness, quantity. So excavation quantity is 688.339 cubic meter. Okay, then after that come to the stone soling. Again, stone soling unit will be in cubic meter. You'll get answer of 36.110 cubic meter. Then we don't have sand filling here. Then we have a PCC of grade M10, which is 1:3:6. Okay. And so here also you'll get the total PCC quantity of 24.074 cubic meter. Then the footing shuttering quantity will be 160.14. So your perimeter we have got and height we have. So the total area will be 11.6 into 0.5. And based on that, I've done this calculation. Okay. And you have got 160.14 square meter is my footing shuttering quantity. Then my footing concrete quantity, again, it's a concrete quantity. So it will be in cubic meter. So this is the answer what I've got. So quantity will be 2.9 into 2.9 into zero point 0.5. So 4.205, 4.205 multiplied by 6 will be 25.230, and when I drag it, I'll get all the answers. So the total footing concrete is 129.374. Next, in the shuttering work of neck column till the plinth beam top. So here I've written plinth beam top. Okay, so that means I have explained you how this height has to be taken. So 1.8, okay, then the footing depth I've deducted, and then I've added the depth of the plinth beam to that. So with this, I'll get 1.8 into this answer will give me 3.240, and the total shuttering will be 3.240 into 6 will give me 19.440. And if I drag it in this way, I'll get the total quantity, that is the total shuttering quantity up to the plinth beam top I'm taking. The unit is in square meter, so it is 68.670. Okay, fine. Next is once the shuttering is done, we have to do the concreting. Again, for the concreting, your foot is this thing. The column sizes is same here, 0.45 into 0.45, and height is again same. Whatever, wherever you do just shuttering, the same height will be your concreting height. So this will be 0.45 into 0.45 into 1.8, and total quantity will be 0.365 into 6. And when you drag it in this way, it will make sure that it is taking all the answers correctly. Okay, yeah, that's how it is. So here the total concrete quantity of the neck column you are going to get. See, one mistake, not mistake here, I should write cubic meter. Always try to check the units and all, because while explaining sometimes I may not write, sometimes I miss it, but that is okay. But you people should not do that mistake. So this is 7.725 cubic meter for concrete is required. So whatever we did now, so this is up to the plinth beam top. But if you remember, I told you backfilling we are going to do till the bottom of the plinth beam only. Okay. And after that, the plinth beam will be casted, then the remaining backfilling will be done. So if you take this concrete quantity also, it's okay. But if you want to be more precise, then what you should do, you should calculate the concrete quantity till the bottom of the plinth beam. So that is what I have done it here. So whatever I have written here, so this is concrete quantity up to the plinth beam bottom I have taken. So this was top and this is bottom. Nothing will change. Everything will remain the same. Only the thing is the height point. No, in the height, we had added the depth of the plinth beam, that is 0.5. Everywhere we have added 0.5 because this was including the height of the plinth beam. But actually when you do the backfilling, it will be till the bottom. So what I've done, from that height, I've deducted the 0.5. Here it was 1.8 plus minus 0.5 plus 0.5. So this 0.5 I've taken out. That is why I'm getting 1.3 here. Okay. And just you have to do the calculation wherever in all of the cases, deduct 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, and 0.5. Accordingly, you're going to get the answer. And this is a real quantity. This is a real quantity of the concrete column, which will go up to the bottom of the plinth beam. If you want up to the top of the plinth beam, it will be 7.725. That's it. Okay. And after that, the backfilling quantity will be how much? Whatever is my excavation quantity. So my total excavation quantity is 688.339. From this total excavation quantity, if I deduct my stone soiling quantity, if I deduct my PCC quantity, that is 24, if I meet if I deduct my footing concrete quantity, which is 129.374, and if I deduct my column concrete quantity, but in column concrete quantity, you should take the one which I've done up to the bottom of the plinth beam, that is 5.50. If you take, no, you'll get 409. Yeah. So what will be the answer? Yeah, you'll get 493.284 cubic meter for backfilling will go. Okay. So this will be, wait, yeah, got it right. So why this 491 coming? For 491, I took off by taking column height till the top of the plinth beam. So it is little less. That is 491. Here the 493 is coming. That doesn't make any sense. And this 550 is what? I've taken 0.8%. Even you can take 0.75% also. Okay. If you take 0.75, it is coming 516 cubic meter of the backfilling will happen. But in practically what has happened, it has come to 493. So this is a thumb rule. If somebody asks you, you can say 0.75 to 0.8. Okay. One more thing I want to add here. Say whatever backfilling we have done, no, this is not a compacted backfilling. You're getting my point. When you do the backfilling, you are going to compact, isn't it? You're not going to directly dump. So whatever volume I have got, no, this is actually the volume what I got when you do the dumping. But when you do the compaction, again, this quantity will increase. So remember one more thing I didn't explain in the previous lecture. So whatever backfilling you are getting, no, backfilling quantity, whatever you are getting, you add another 35% extra to that, 35% extra. So this is after the compaction, after the compaction. So if you're not able to understand, let me explain you this. Yeah. So whatever backfilling, see, once you backfill the soil, it's not that directly you're going to dump the soil. So when you're dumping the soil, it will be something like this, isn't it? You'll dump the soil, you'll do the compaction. Then again, you'll dump the soil, you'll do the compaction, right? In layers, if you remember, in the layers, we are supposed to do the backfilling. So when you do the backfilling in the layers, every time you're doing a compaction, isn't it? So when you're doing a compaction, that means more amount of soil will go. You're getting my point? More amount of soil will go. But we took that, like according to a calculation, if I come here, according to calculation, it should be 493. But this is actually a loose soil. You haven't done the compaction. Okay. So when you do the compaction, you can assume a thumb rule which says that backfilling quantity will be whatever quantity you got. No, for this, again, you take 35% extra. So that will be your actual backfilling quantity. Okay. That means 493. If you, whatever answer you have got, isn't it? I'll write here. I'll do it here. Uh, okay. Total backfilling after compaction. Okay, after compaction, because more amount of soil will go. Once you do the compaction, more amount of soil it can take, isn't it? Compaction. Okay. So so for this, I'll write here answer. So this will be, how can I do? Yeah, whatever answer I got, I'll multiply this by 35. No, so 1.35 I'll do. 35 means 1.35. So it will be actual backfilling will be 665 cubic meter of a soil will go as a backfilling. Okay, this is actually, this is on the paper, but on the practically on the site, you'll require more soil for the backfilling once you do the compaction. So why I'm taking this 1.35? Because 35%. Now, from where did I get this 35? Again, this has been observed on the site for a very long period of time. So people have seen that roughly 35%. Now you may question, should I take always 35? No, you can take 30 also. It depends on the soil also, no? It's not, maybe your let us say let us say if you're taking some muram soil or something else, there the compaction may happen enough. I mean, more compaction may happen. If you're taking some other soil, the compaction may be little less. So again, everything is a project specific. Since we are doing estimate, I require rough idea. So that is why I've taken 35%. You can take 30% also, it doesn't matter. Okay. So if you don't want to do the calculation in this way, you have another way. The another way is take the backfilling quantity plus you take 35. So 35 is 0.35. Okay, 0.35 into this answer. And then close the bracket. You'll get the same answer. Same answer we got. See, 665 and 665. So this is a normal method what we adopted in our school during our school days, right? So if I want to add 35% to this, I'll take this volume plus 35% of this. Instead of that, smart work is you just multiply this value by 1.35. You'll get 665. So this is a real quantity which will go in the backfilling on the side. This is on the paper. Okay, got it? Great. So in this way, I think we have completed this assignment project. and whatever answers I have shown, that is a final answer. Okay, after checking all the calculation, I have found that this is a final answer, and you also should get the same answer. If you're getting any answer like 7 instead of 7.725, if you're getting like 7.715, that is fine. That happens due to the decimal digits that you're going to take, but you should get the same answer. Okay, great. So I hope you enjoyed my lecture up to here. We'll see you back in the next lecture. Thank you.